Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, my name is Nyla. I am a girl mom. I post beauty, lifestyle, and everything motherhood. Today is Memorial Monday, May 25th. It is currently 9:15. I need to take my birth control right now, but it is currently 9:15. As you guys seen, I got myself together, took a shower. I'm now drinking my tea. I feel good this morning. So today I actually had a bit of a late morning, and my late morning is about like 7 o'clock. And that's because my daughter decided to fall asleep on me, and I literally couldn't move. Like, she just had me stuck in a position where if I moved, I knew that she was gonna wake up. So I just let her rest there, and I just laid in the bed a little bit longer than usual today, but we're still on a good schedule. Right now, I'm actually about to give her a wipe down because we need to go to Aldi's. We need to get a few things, some groceries for the week, some meal prepping stuff. My husband is actually currently doing his homework, so once he's done with that, we're gonna go and head out. But as of right now, I just want to start the vlog off with you guys. Today is a rest day, so I worked out yesterday at home, so I didn't go to the gym yesterday, but I did do a full body circuit. Hi baby. I've been really trying to be super consistent on YouTube, and I will be super consistent. I built a schedule. I think it's gonna work between my personals and my family channel that I have with my husband and my daughter. So yeah, but that's what's on the agenda today. Today we're gonna be going to Aldi, like I said, and we're going to get the things that we need and just pretty much see where the rest of the day goes. Let's go, guys. Okay, you guys, so we just got back from Aldi, so I'm just briefly going to show you guys what we got for the week. We got these mini naan breads. Last week, we absolutely loved the pizza, and we had got a really big one, but I find that these are going to be more convenient. We picked up two, so I believe it's 8 in a pack. Yeah, it's an 8 count. And also it'll be less calories for me because I'm not gonna lie, when I had the one pizza, the really big one, it was very filling and I really couldn't eat for the rest of the day. So it's good. It was high in protein and it probably was better for my husband, but for me this is definitely more better. Got some garlic hummus. So we are new hummus eaters. We recently tried kava and it's so good. Like, I've been wanting to try kava for so long, but like literally that we finally tried it. I think it was like last week after the gym. 10 out of 10. So we are on our little hummus kick and we're gonna try this, I believe, with probably the naan bread or whatever it is that we make. But this I'm excited about. Shredded chicken. This is rotisserie style pulled chicken. This will be used for my chicken salad. Like, I love a good chicken salad. It's very high in protein. It could be a snack, it could be lunch or whatever it is. So I wanted to get chicken that was already shredded. It makes my life a whole lot easier. So a small chicken breast. This is for whatever meals we decide to make. We'll get there when we get there. But stew meat chunks. This is something that we eat heavy, especially my husband, so we had to get these. Ground beef. We're definitely ground beef eaters for sure. We love a good ground beef. Picked up some drumsticks, and honestly, drumsticks are literally so easy to have. Like, first of all, they're cheap. Let's talk about that. I know that's usually the meat that not everybody really goes to, and I actually was one of them at first, but You just have to make it correctly. Like, it could be put in a stew, whether it's in the crock pot. You can make it with rice. You can make it with potatoes. Like, and it's perfect for like a family of 4 or 5 or even more. We're obviously only a family of 3, and this is more than enough. Also got some mozzarella cheese, sweet potatoes. If you know, you know. Mandarins. My husband and daughter loves these. They just go through the bag so quickly. A pineapple. We actually wanted to get more fruits, but honestly, I've been weary lately. Like, my daughter, oh, that's the oven, but my daughter loves strawberries, but me see all these recalls, like, I'm just feeling like it's a recall on everything, and we need to grow our own fruits at this point. Yeah, because it's just a lot going on with that. But right now we just got a pineapple, so I'm a little like, I don't know. We got the buttermilk light and fluffy pancake and waffle mix. As y'all know, I'm not home, but I brought my waffle maker, and we all love waffles and we love pancakes, so we go through mix pretty quickly. So that's everything for this haul so far. This is definitely gonna last us throughout the week. As of right now, because I didn't eat nothing but tea, it is literally 12 o'clock or close to 12 o'clock. So it's lunchtime, and I'm about to make this mini pizza again. That's what's gonna be for lunch. Daughter is sleeping, so I'm gonna make us some pizza, and that's gonna be our lunch for now. It's 5:56 a.m. and it's time to go to the gym. I woke up at 5 a.m. actually 4:55. Got up, did what I needed to do, prayed, meditated, stretched. So I got baby girl's breakfast and snack together, and now I'm about to wake her up. If you guys don't already know, I didn't know in my last video, we do take baby girl to the gym with us and we swap back and forth. So I always like to make sure that she is prepared breakfast because she doesn't like to directly eat a meal as soon as she wake up. Today I made her a waffle, got her some peach mango yogurt, a bottle just in case, and some crackers. And I'm also gonna pack her water. So yeah, I'm about to wake her up and dress her because it's about to be 6 o'clock and I want to be at the gym by 6:30 the latest. So we're running a tight schedule because I want to be on time. Today I'm not gonna do legs. I think I'm gonna do abs and arms. Arms be putting me through there, but it has to be done. I have my pre-workout meal, which is oatmeal, nothing too crazy. I'm also gonna pack my ice water as well, and we're gonna just get ready to go. Alright, you guys, so I just left the gym. Right now we're currently at Walmart because we had to pick up some milk for baby girl really quickly, so my husband ran in. But today's workout was great. Honestly, today it's been officially 2 weeks since I've been in the gym. Honestly, I've been feeling so great. Like, I'm feeling more accomplished. I'm feeling like I'm getting more into the routine of knowing exactly what works for me at the gym and what doesn't, because a lot of times it is hard to go to the gym and you just kind of like, as a beginner, you don't really know what you're doing, you know, whether you're trying out certain machines or you're, you know, working out with the weights. Like, it can be discouraging. And thankfully I do have my husband who is you know, a personal trainer in that aspect, so I know what to do. I have the basics and it's working for me. And yeah, I'm just really enjoying going to the gym, and it's really, really, really helping my mind. Like, I go through a lot up here, and the fact that that's really helping me, like, I'm about to be a full-on like gym girly for real, for real. So I'm excited about that. But yeah, so on today's agenda, gonna go home and meal prep, like season all the meats and basically meal prep. For lunch, I'm probably gonna eat my chicken salad, and I'm so excited to make that. Like, I could taste it with the crackers. Yeah, we're gonna go home, we're gonna meal prep a little bit, obviously take a shower, get myself together, and then after that, after baby girl wakes up, we're probably gonna go and, you know, take her outside to the park, go for a walk, because it's gonna be 80 degrees today, and I'm gonna be getting my extra steps in. So yeah, that's what's really on the agenda for today. I am so hungry. Like, I feel like I'm about to perish. So it is literally 5:30 in the evening now. I'm all showered and it is now time to cook dinner. I did eat lunch. I ate the chicken salad that I did not show y'all, but let me just say it was so good. And I ate it with some club crackers. Trying to do everything in moderation, so I literally had 8 club crackers. For dinner tonight, we're gonna actually be having a sweet potato bowl, which is literally one of our favorites. TikTok really did a big one once I seen that, so that's what I'm gonna be making, and it's definitely something that's high in protein, something that we can keep on having. So I love that. But I'm also gonna be prepping another meal for the end of the week. So what I'm responsible for is the chicken breast and the ground beef. So this is gonna be for the potato bowl, and this is gonna be for a chicken bowl. But this will actually be for the cheat day, which would be like on Friday. So I'm gonna make a chicken bowl, but it's gonna be like a fried chicken nugget bowl. And my fried chicken nuggets, so good. So I'm just gonna prep this, have it seasoned, and we're gonna have it on Friday. My husband's gonna make steak chunks. Like I said, we always keep this in our why are you yelling?
Don't run. Get your butt back here.
We also have some drumsticks that is currently soaking in vinegar. So he's going to do the drumsticks and the beef chunks, and I'm going to do the chicken breast and the ground beef. We have been doing so good. We're staying on track with how we're eating. So that's what's going to be on the menu today. So let's just get right into it.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Okay, you guys, so dinner is all done. We have the sweet potato bowl. I'm so upset that there's no corn. I didn't get corn. I thought it was corn here, but that is just literally the only missing piece. But I have the sweet potatoes, the ground beef, some shredded cheddar cheese, and I always like a touch of sour cream because I just feel like it just makes the bowl. This is so good. That is all for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and eat my dinner and just really enjoy this and wind down for the rest of the night. So with that being said, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, and share. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are enjoying my vlogs. Keep up with me on all my other socials. Nyla at 9, Nyla Allure on TikTok. Also my family channel, which is Thompson's in Real Life. If you want to see more of couples, family stuff over there. I actually thoroughly enjoyed this vlog. So yeah, you guys. With that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.